Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your B.G.S class, that means Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 4. So student, today our today's topic is matching. Today we will do different types of matching from your syllabus. So let's get started our class. Matching. Number 1, match the words on the right with those on the left. From this matching is from chapter 10. You will get this matching from chapter 10. So student, here are given some parts of the sentence on the left side and some other parts of the rest of the parts are given here on the right side. So we have to match the left side with the right side. Now number 1, A, to the south of Asia. We know to the south of Asia, here are given Europe, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. In your map you can see that to the south of Asia, that means Indian Ocean. Now B, to the north of Asia, it is Arctic Ocean, and to the east of Asia, Pacific Ocean, and to the west of Asia, it is Europe. Now come to the second question. Match the conditions in the left column with the result in the right column. This column is given from the chapter 12. Now, carelessness in a dry season, low pressure over the sea and heavy rainfall that does not drain away. Here are given on the right side cyclones, waterlogging and fire. First one, carelessness in a dry season. Okay, it will match fire. In a dry season, fire can be happened. And low pressure over the sea, it is matched with cyclone. And heavy rainfall that does not drain away, it is matched with water logging. Now the third question, match the kings with their dates. Here are given some dates and some dates, and on the right side here are given some kings names. So student, first one, 7th century. So we know that here are given Lakshman Sen, Shashanka, King Shashanka and Gopala. We know in 7th century King Shashanka ruled his reign. So 7th century matched with Shashanka, and now 8th century it will match with Gopala, King Gopala, because in 8th century King Gopala ruled his reign. And now 12th century it will match with Lakshman Sen. And last one, number 4, match the rules with their dates from chapter 14. 14th century it will match with Samsuddin Ilyas Shah. And now 16th century it will match with Isha Khan, and 17th century will match Shaista Khan. So student, today there is no homework for today. So student, you have to practice it at home, and see you next class.